Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. Shiba Inu, Tezos, Vechain price analysis. 23 February after Shiba Inu, Tezos, and Vechain saw an over 6% gain in the past day, the bullish influence has increased. But they failed to support the rally with promising volumes. Shiba Inu and Vechain saw pattern breakouts, while jumping above their near-term moving averages. The RSI for all these cryptos still needed to cross the midline to confirm a change in momentum. Shiba Inu, SHIB, as the alt hit its 3-month low on 22 January, the buyers stepped in at the $0.000018 mark. Since then, SHIB bulls initiated an over 100% recovery, while flipping the $0.000023 from resistance to support. Post which, SHIB bears were keen on pushing the price below the 2050 CMA. However, with the gains over the last day, SHIB poked above its down channel, yellow, and aimed to find a close above the 20 EMA, red. This trajectory revealed the increasing buying influence, but it still needed supervision and the Shanghai Certification Association to propose the standard. In that sense, Vechain provided key technical input based on the project experience, the post claimed. Why Vechain Vet might continue recording profits this standard, and its certification initiative has the ultimate objective of driving Vechain into the mainstream. As the foundation said, the project has been involved in several initiatives with a similar goal, and has attempted to showcase its technical capabilities and ability to develop standardized, scalable designs. In addition to the above, Vechain has been implementing improvements to its mainnet to become the hub for corporate use case of blockchain technology. The foundation efforts have been seemingly translated into the growth of its ecosystem. As Newsc reported, the network saw the launch of a new decentralized exchange, DEX, called SumoSwap and hinted at the launch of a new stablecoin. Vechain's recent bullish price action could become the new normal for the coming months, according to a pseudonym analyst. Missions using the power of public blockchain. We're excited to be able to formally introduce the Carbon today, the future of digital carbon emission data management. The Carbon, the future of carbon accounting. The Carbon empowers enterprises with next-generation digital tools to help them quantize and informatize carbon emissions data. The Carbon greatly enhances the carbon management capabilities of businesses and allows for precise, targeted reduction efforts, helping enterprises achieve their low-carbon aims. The Carbon SaaS platform has recently begun operating across multiple industries including chemical, building materials, food and beverage, paper, transportation and more. It creates a number of new possible application scenarios for governments and enterprises, such as carbon footprint calculation, visualizations of a product's carbon footprint, and new financial services in carbon markets. We see many exciting applications ahead for this transformative technology. The Carbon, delivering change. The Carbon recently became available to the market. In the bottom in March 2020, as a result of the COVID capitulation. After a steady run-up, a new high was made during the summer of the same year. The Fibonacci levels plotted are measured from that bottom to the top. Two negative extension levels, 382 and -1, are visible but are crucial. In November 2020, VET made a higher low, right at the 0.382 level, and rallied all the way to the exact negative extension. A weekly demand zone was formed, and VET rose in value all the way towards the -1 extension level. That all-time high, ATH, marked the top in April 2021, and the token started trending down for the rest of 2021. The weekly demand zone was tested 2 times and provided clear support. At the beginning of 2022, VET again tested this demand zone, and so far, it is still providing the support which is needed. In November 2021, it seemed like VET was ready to escape from the range, however it only deviated above it for a while. Afterwards, a downtrend began, which is still in action. But, in confluence with the deviation above the range highs, it's also highly possible that the opposite from a range high deviation is forming here around the lows. Markets move towards liquidity zones where many traders can be trapped, and liquidity is picked up only to reverse the downtrend. In order to reverse the trend, Vechain bulls have some work to do. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecasts for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. Vet price prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain end 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain price prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, Vechain Vet prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be 60 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Vechain's maximum price could be up to 72 cents in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.